In today's video, I'll show you how to copy the link of a video from Google Drive, a quick and easy process that lets you share videos with others in just a few clicks. Whether you're sending it to friends, colleagues, or uploading it somewhere else, this guide will make it simple and efficient. Let's get started. First, open Google Drive by typing drive.google.com into your browser's address bar and pressing enter. Make sure you're logged into the correct Google account, the one that contains the video you want to share. Once you're in, you'll see your folders and files neatly organized on the main screen. Next, locate the video you want to share. You can scroll through your drive or use the search bar at the top to find it quickly by typing the video's name. Once you've found the file, click once on the video to select it. You'll see that it gets highlighted, which means it's ready for further action. Now, with the video selected, look towards the top toolbar or simply right-click the video file to open the context menu. From there, click on Share. This will open a sharing window which contains all the controls for managing who can view or edit the file. By default, the access setting is usually restricted. That means only specific people you manually add can see the video. If you want to make it easier for anyone to view it without sending individual invites, you'll need to change that setting. Look for the option labeled Restricted and click it. You'll see a drop-down menu. From there, choose Anyone with the link. This change allows anyone who has the link to open and view the video without needing permission. It's a convenient choice when sharing tutorials, presentations, or team updates. However, keep in mind that this also means anyone who gets a link can access it, so be careful if the content is private or sensitive. Once the access setting is updated, look near the bottom of the window and click on Copy Link. As soon as you do, the video link is copied to your clipboard, ready for sharing. Now, you can paste the link anywhere in an email, chat, or document by using the shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. The people you share it with can simply click the link to view the video directly in their browser. And that's it. You've successfully copied a shareable link to your video from Google Drive. This simple process lets you share your videos quickly and efficiently without needing to download or re-upload them. Before finishing, it's always a good idea to double check your sharing settings to make sure the right people have access. You can change permissions anytime if you want to restrict or expand visibility later. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and helpful tech tips.